Stop wasting money on sourdough kits that don't actually work. Some of them are missing key tools, others make the process way harder than it needs to be, and a few are just not worth it at all. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 sourdough starter kits you can buy right now. From beginner-friendly options to complete baking systems that give you real bakery quality results at home. Let's get into it. Starting off the list, we have the Nidace Pro Sourdough Starter Kit, and this one is perfect if you're just getting started. The standout feature here is the large 34-ounce starter jar with a funnel-shaped opening, which makes it super easy to pour, mix, and handle your sourdough without making a mess. And if you've ever tried sourdough before, you know how tricky it can be to maintain a healthy starter. That's where this kit really shines. It comes with built-in measurement markings, including volume, weight, and feed line marks, so you always know exactly how much to add and when. There's also a thermometer included, which helps you keep your starter at the right temperature for proper fermentation. One feature that's surprisingly useful is the elastic band marked with the days of the week. It gives you a clear indication of when you last fed your starter, so you don't forget and ruin your progress. You also get both a cloth cover for fermentation and a silicone cover for storage, which even doubles as a non-slip base on your kitchen counter. And if you're completely new to sourdough, it includes a video guide, recipe, and expert support, making the entire process much easier to follow. So if you're just starting out and want a simple, well-designed starter kit that removes the guesswork, this is a great choice. At number 4, we have the Bamps Complete Sourdough Starter Kit. And this one offers a great balance between simplicity and functionality. The main feature here is that it gives you all the essential tools you need without overwhelming you. You get a 24-ounce sourdough starter jar, which is large enough to make multiple loaves, and the wide-mouth design makes it easy to add flour and water or remove your starter when needed. It also includes a 9-inch Banneton bread proofing basket, made from natural Indonesian rattan. This helps your dough rise evenly while giving your bread that classic artisan look. And compared to lower-quality baskets, this one is designed to be smooth, durable, and resistant to mold, making it safer and more reliable over time. What really makes this kit stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. It comes with a printed recipe book and user manual, so you're guided step-by-step through the sourdough process instead of figuring things out on your own. At the same time, it still includes the core baking tools you need, so you can confidently go from starter to finished bread. Cleanup is also simple. The basket just needs a light brushing, and the jar is easy to maintain with clear measurement markings. So if you want something that's complete, easy to use, and not overly complicated, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Astercook Complete Sourdough Starter Kit, and this is where things start to feel much more advanced. The biggest highlight here is that it's a true all-in-one sourdough kit. Unlike basic sets, this one includes 2 Banneton proofing baskets, one round and one oval, along with a starter jar, dough whisk, bread sling, scoring tools, scrapers, cooling rack, and even bread bags. So instead of buying tools separately, you're getting a complete system in one package. Another major advantage is how it supports every step of the sourdough process. You can mix your dough with the whisk, transfer it easily using the bread sling, score it with precision using the included blade tools, and then cool it properly on the rack after baking. It even includes stencils, so you can add creative designs to your bread and give it that professional, bakery-style finish. And if you like sharing your bread with friends or family, the included bread bags make it easy to package and store your loaves. It's also designed to be beginner-friendly, with a user manual included, while still offering enough tools to satisfy more experienced bakers. So if you want a complete sourdough setup that covers everything from mixing to baking to sharing, this is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Roorkay Sourdough Starter Kit, and this one takes things a step further in terms of quality and overall performance. This is a full all-in-one sourdough kit, designed to support your entire baking process from start to finish. It includes a 24-ounce starter jar, a 9-inch Banneton basket, dough whisk, bread lame with multiple blades, scrapers, cleaning tools, bread sling, and more. So whether you're preparing your starter, shaping your dough, or scoring your bread before baking, everything you need is already included. What really sets this kit apart is the quality of the materials. Everything is designed to be natural, chemical-free, and safe for food use, which is especially important when working with sourdough fermentation. Another big advantage is how beginner-friendly it is. If you've ever felt confused or overwhelmed by sourdough baking, this kit includes simple guides, recipes, and even access to expert support, so you're not figuring things out on your own. At the same time, it's trusted by a large number of bakers and delivers consistent, professional-level results, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. It also makes a great gift, since it comes as a complete, well-organized baking set. So if you want a high-quality, reliable sourdough kit that delivers excellent results every time, this is a top-tier option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Craftsy Premium Sourdough Starter Kit, and this is easily the most complete and feature-packed option on this list. This isn't just a starter kit, it's a full sourdough baking system. It includes 4 banneton baskets, 2 traditional rattan and 2 silicone, along with a 34-ounce starter jar, a digital scale, enamel pot, baking tools, bread slicer, stencils, and even storage bags. So you're fully equipped for every stage of the process, from preparing your starter to baking and storing your bread. One of the standout features is the combination of traditional and modern tools. The rattan baskets provide airflow for proper fermentation and classic crust patterns, while the silicone baskets offer convenience and easy cleanup. It's also built with durability in mind, with high-quality, reusable tools designed to handle regular baking without wearing out. And despite how complete it is, it's still very beginner-friendly. It includes a step-by-step guide and recipe book, helping you learn the process while also giving you room to try more advanced recipes. On top of that, it encourages healthier baking by allowing you to make fresh, preservative-free bread at home, with full control over your ingredients. So if you want the most complete, professional-level sourdough kit that can take you from beginner to expert, this is hands down the best choice. Check the links in the description for these products. If you want more videos like this that help you find the best products quickly, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.